Hi there, students. A besom. Besom. Okay, a besom is a broom. A broom to sweep the floor with. But it's a specific one. You know the broom that Harry Potter rides, the broom that a witch rides? That is a besom. A besom is a long shaft with sticks or straw or something else tied round it. So it comes off like that. And that is a besom. A witch's broom is a besom. Yeah, not the one that you that you buy in the shop, which is like a T shape. No, a besom. This is a broom with a long handle, and then it's got thin sticks tied together at the end. So an elderly woman was sweeping the yard with a besom. Now, I think traditionally very often the handle is made of hazel, and the tip can be, the brush bit can be made of broom. Broom is a plant, and that's maybe why it's called a broom. Or it could be made of straw, or it could be made of other things. Okay, so a besom is a classic broom, but an old-fashioned broom. These are the brooms that people used to have in the old days. This is what a witch rides. So if you want a broom that you're going to be able to ride or play Quidditch with, then you're going to need a besom. Yeah, it's a broom made of sticks. It's got a big long stick and then lots of other sticks tied on the end, and then you can sweep with a besom. Now, apparently, also they use this word a besom or to besom in the sport of curling. Curling is where you have these stones and you throw them at a target, but this is on ice, and you brush the ice in front of your stone that's moving in order to make it go further, and that is to besom, or you use a besom to do that. But a besom, it's a broom made of a bundle of twigs tied to a handle. It's an old-fashioned broom, and I'm sure this type of broom has been around for several thousand years. Okay, so a besom. If you're going to be a witch, you need a besom. Formality. I think a lot of people won't actually know this word, but formality. I think I'm going to give it I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality, even though a lot of people don't know it. And then as to origin, we've got Old English, besema, a broom, from Proto-West Germanic besmo, a broom. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Besom, a besom.